Low-carb Keto Khachapuri soft cheese bread with gooey center and egg on top. You can find the full ingredient list in the description, and I like to prep everything first. Into my blender I add cottage cheese, shredded cheese, and 1 egg to make a rich cheese base. Stay with me because in a moment you will see how this turns into flour-free khachapuri with a soft yolk. I season with salt, pepper, and herbs, then blend until smooth so the dough has no lumps. If you enjoy simple low-carb recipes like this, remember to like and subscribe for more. I transfer the mixture to a bowl where the dough will come together. I add almond flour and yogurt, and with psyllium you need a short rest so it can thicken. I mix with a spatula. The dough is sticky, and that is exactly how it should be. I brush baking paper with olive oil, and with oiled hands shape small boats. I make 3 portions. This version keeps the carbs low but the center stays filling and cheesy, perfect for keto. I bake in the air fryer at 340 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. When the boats turn golden, I add more shredded cheese in the center and return them to melt. At the end, I place an egg yolk in the middle and bake 1.5 to 2 more minutes so it stays soft. I take them out and sprinkle fresh chives for color and flavor. Melty cheese, creamy yolk, and it is ready. It is hard to stop at 1. Thank you for cooking with me today. Leave a like and subscribe for more easy homemade ideas.